Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an e-cleaning that we usually do it every month for the K8 machine. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to prepare the cleaning tank. Make sure it's a green color cleaning tank, a cap, and also this cleaning cap, and 2 sachets of the citric acid powder. So first thing, what you do, you go to setting. Okay, you press setting. After that, choose e-cleaning. Okay, follow the instruction. E-cleaning instruction, you just click yes. Then after that, it will ask you to pour 2 sachets of the citric acid powder into the cleaning tank. Let's do it. This is how we do it. Okay, after that, we need to fill up this tank with water. Fill up almost full, but this a gap like this. Okay, and when you are closing the cap, make sure the cap is fully closed and tight. It has to be parallel this way. Don't close it this way. If you close this way, this cleaning tank cannot be inserted. Okay, see clearly? Please close it this way. Okay, parallel, nothing is blocking. Okay, after filling up the tank with water, make sure you mix well so that the citric acid powder can get diluted before inserting the tank into the machine. Okay, next, just click OK. Then after that, insert the cleaning tank. Pull this out. Take out the enhancer tank. Insert the cleaning tank into it. After that, make sure this is closed to make sure that the cleaning tank is tightened. After that, click OK. Then after that, please remove the filter. Take it out. Remove the filter. Okay, make sure the O-rings are taken out. Okay, don't leave the O-ring inside. Then put in the cleaning cap. Push tight a bit and lock it back again. Make sure it's locked. After that, click OK. Then after that, there is this a cap to be put into the secondary hose. What you do, lift it up, cap it tight. After that, click OK. Alright. After that, just press start. Okay, now it's 3 hours done already. So we touch on the screen. It will show e-cleaning. The cleaning is finished. Please remove the cap from the secondary hose, which is this one. Okay, remove it. Alright, then after that, click OK. Then the system will ask you, please remove the cleaning cartridge, which is this one, and reinstall the filter. Okay, then after that, follow the screen, click OK. Alright, then the system will ask you, please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank. This is the one. Okay, this is the electrolysis enhancer tank. And put it back. After that, we can close it. Next thing to do, run the water. Run the water for 300 seconds. Alright, once the water has been run for 300 seconds, then the system is okay already. After that, we take a look. Yeah. Okay, so we have run the water for 300 seconds and you will go back to the original screen. So this is the way how we maintain the K8 machine, and we do it once a month so that the Kangen machine can produce the best quality Kangen water for the whole family to drink. Alright?